Right, it's Kyle here. Johnny Erie. I'm at his gaff now. He's just nominating me. Fucking wanker. Cheers, mate. White Ace. I'm a lager kind of guy. Hate cider. Fucking here, White Ace. The worst of them all. Obviously, muscles. Just a muscle. Just the juice, obviously.
Okay, we'll get a muscle in.
Fucking hate muscles, man. Shut up. Tomato juice. Hate tomatoes as well. Like you twat.
Okay, we'll get a tomato in.
Fucking, I'll get fucking tomatoes in.
Get a tomato in.
Tuna brine. Bit of tuna, cause I fucking love tuna, me. Bit more ingredients. Bit of bomas. I'm just sad.
Leftover soup.
Shut up, man. Shut up. No, bit of soda cream.
Oh!
Soda cream.
A little.
Oh, fuck me, that's not coming off, is it? Bit of soda cream.
Get it in, son.
More than that.
Yeah, it's in. Nah, fucking. Why not a bit more? Get it fucking in, man. Bit of soda cream. Links. Apollo. Can't go on holiday without this stuff.
There's no way he's drinking this, yeah,
Right,
like.
I'm at Johnny's house, yeah?
Fiver bit.
Bit of Johnny's leftover shit off last night.
Oh! No, get some pasta in there. Get some pasta in there.
What doing with
Fiver
pasta?
bit.
Oh!
Fiver bit liquor.
Oh
Bit
no!
of ashtray.
Oh!
Yes! Come on, child.
Top it all. Top it all off. Oh shit.
Oh!
Yeah, you fucking killed this. Johnny's just give us this shit. I think it's here, Joe.
$2.99.
We could get a commercial out of this.
Well, that makes sense.
Wrong that shit, like.
You're never drinking this, yeah, by the way. Guarantee you didn't do this.
Ah,
There's
fuck.
no chance you're doing that, like.
Oh, look at fucking balls, man. I could take a bath in that shit.
Yeah, Kyle, there's no way you're drinking that, like.
Come on, Kyle. Go on, son.
I'd hold your fucking nose.
Bottoms up, lads.
Oh, nah. He's done it. Oh, no! Oh! Oh, he's gonna wait. I gotta get this on video, like.
Oh!
He's gonna.
Drink it. Drink it.
You gotta drink your puke, man.
What, lad?
Drink it.
You gotta drink it.
Let's get it on, boys. Nomination.
Yeah, really.
Oh, no.
Fucking hell.
Oh. Man, this fucking funeral tomorrow.
Well, I'm tasting the fucking showers out. I nominate Matty Tracy, Chrissy Ledden, and Andrew Tate. Good luck, lads.